Welcome back to Chitra Art. This is the class for day 8. For this painting, we need drawing paper, one pencil, one eraser, and colors like blue, grey, dark blue, and black. First, draw the body of aeroplane. Now draw the wings. Now erase the extra lines. Now add the windows. Darken the drawing with black color. Now start coloring. Fill the body with blue color. Fill the wings with dark blue. And windows with grey. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like and share. If you have any doubts, just comment down below. Bye. See you next class.